Here we go. Let me lift you up. We'll go right to the top. Let the sun come up. Together we can fly. All our hearts collide. Stay here by my side. I say we jump, we fly. We reach out to the sky. And it goes on and on and on and on and on. And we go on and on and on and on. And it goes on and on and on and on and on. And we go on and on and on and on. We're gonna fly high, be alive. Yeah. We're gonna fly high, be alive. We're gonna fly high, be alive.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Be Alive. Sa Maggie, Ana, ang daming tumatawag at saka bumabati sa show natin. You know, yung Be Alive fever has reached not only different parts of the Philippines, but also Indonesia, Africa, Saudi Arabia. Grabe. Wow. Oo, kaya lagi nawawala si Susan, di ba? Namimiss natin.
Eh, ikaw ang nawala eh.
Kanina, last week yun. Napakaganda po ng ating show ngayon. Today, we will talk about how you can change your life. Pag-uusapan natin ang Big C, cervical cancer po at hyperplasia. But at the end of the show, ipapakita po namin sa inyo kung bakit po masaya pa rin kami dito sa Be Alive. Yes!
Totoong buhay lang po itong pinag-uusapan natin. Wala pong halong drama.
And our show is about God's healing hands, no? The miracle of life. About prevention, health, hope, and recovery. So join us as we view the miraculous story of Monique Calica at ang pagbubunong braso niya sa cervical cancer.
I was diagnosed with cervical cancer stage 2B December 2005. So January, I underwent 6 cycles chemotherapy and 28 cycles ng radiotherapy and 3 days na brachytherapy. So I finished the treatment siguro mga April yon. So since then, pabalik-balik na lang ako sa hospital kasi ang naging symptoms ko noon, nagpo-profuse bleeding ako. As in, napakalaki talaga na lumalabas na dugo. Ganyang kalalaki, para siyang atay ng baboy. Ganon. Tapos talagang plok pag bumabagsak siya sa CR. So, I was so afraid at lagi akong hinimatay dahil ang dami talaga profuse. Para siyang gripong binuksan. Every 2 weeks, pumupunta ako sa oncologist ko, nagpapacheck up. Okay na ako, clinically zero cancer. Pero nung January 2012, napansin ko, meron na naman akong nag-i-spotting ako. Then mga February, profuse bleeding na naman siya. So I was so afraid at naaalala ko yung dinaanan kong agony ng treatment. Immediately, I went to my oncologist. Tapos, I underwent, of course, yung mga cytopath, laboratory test. Tapos, nung lumabas yung mga test na yon, sabi ng doktor ko, kailangan kong ma-total hysterectomy kasi may possible na bumalik yung bukol. February 2012, that was my 5th year ng remission ko from cancer. At sabi ng doktor ko, I have to undergo that total hysterectomy. Possible pa na right after the total hysterectomy, kung may bukol, start na naman kami ng treatment. Hindi ko talaga ma-imagine na babalik ako doon sa dati kong treatment. Unang-una, napaka-gastos at physically, ang hirap, para akong mamamatay every time na sasalang ako sa chemotherapy. Kasi ang radiotherapy ko from Monday to Friday. Then, pag Saturday, yun yung chemotherapy ko. So, 1 day lang ang pahinga ko. Halos gumagapang na lang ako papunta talaga sa CR. Minsan, di na talaga ako makatayo sa sobrang hirap. And I really prayed hard. Talagang umiyak talaga ako kay Lord. Sabi ko, tulungan niya ako. Takot akong baka, mamatay ako. meron akong 2 anak. Gusto ko makita sila ng yung bang mag-aasawa pa, magkakaapo pa ako. So, nung March, minute ko yung isang friend ko. Nag-suffer siya sa parang mild stroke. So, nung nakita ko siya, ang ganda na nung niya, nakakapag-drive na. Tapos sabi niya, Monique, meron akong ipapa-try sa yung supplement. Tapos nag-take po ako ng 1 capsule. Then, I asked for another 2 capsules. And ininom ko po yun ng Tuesday and Wednesday. Nung Wednesday, na-amaze talaga ako. Kasi, as in, wala na akong bleeding. Nag-stop talaga siya. Immediately, I call my friend. Sabi ko, tita, ang ganda ng product. Nag-stop talaga yung bleeding ko. Sabi niya, oh, ang galing. So, I started using yung Lamine. Then afterwards, talagang since then, until now, wala na siyang bleeding. Ang maganda pa nito, I went back to my doctor ng March. Kasi February ako chinek. Then, nung nagpa-ultrasound ako, nilabas yung result, I went back to my oncologist. Ang sabi ng oncologist, nung niread siya, clear lahat. As in, clear lahat. And I don't need to go to, yung mag-total hysterectomy. Talagang masasabi kong Lamine is really a gift from above. I never stop sharing Lamine. It gives hope to the hopeless.
Grabe, no? Nakakatuwa naman ang kwento ni Monique.
Talaga, tita. Yung pala, I really believe that God's hand is on this Lamine. It heals the healer in you. Ilang mo, Susan, yung sa kanyang total hysterectomy na dapat After taking Lamine, 2 weeks later, nagpa-ultrasound siya, wala na siyang cancer. We all know na hindi gamot ang Lamine. We cannot claim na gamot siya, pero talagang yung mga nakikita ng ating mga televiewers na pumupunta dito, mga nagte-testimonial, na ano ang nangyari sa kanila after taking Lamine.
Correct.
So, miracle po talaga.
Yes, and when we come back, our panel of doctors will tell us about cervical cancer. Be alive. We'll be back.
We're gonna fly high, be alive.
Good morning, doctors. Welcome. When Monique had her ultrasound, she was pronounced cancer-free after taking Lamine. Paano ho nangyari to?
I had the opportunity of meeting Monique on the 2nd month that when we launched Forever Rich Philippines. And it caught my attention because napakabilis nung reaction ng Lamine sa kanya. Simply because she had the 22 radiation treatment and mag-hysterectomy daw. So, nagbe-bleeding. Tapos nung uminom daw siya ng Lamine, mabilis yung reaction. I would give the credit to the presence of the marine-based protein, most especially the shark cartilage. Because shark cartilage was actually placed there to combat female cancer, which is breast, ovarian, and cervical cancer. Because of the presence of the amino acid leucine, threonine, valine, and isoleucine, together with the PESE and the shark cartilage, it made a very perfect combination to combat the HPV virus or the human papilloma virus that caused the cervical cancer of Monique.
Doctors, you were saying PESE. What does PESE mean?
Proto-embryonic stage extract.
So this is the essence of what Lamine is for.
Yes, because in a 9-day-old fertilized egg, it's still liquid in nature. However, there are growth factors or ingredients in that will create the miracle of life. So there must be something there that will create the cells, the tissue, the organs, or embryogenesis. So we took that and put it in the capsule, and the process on how it can be preserved is patented and proprietary. Because if you eat the 9-day-old fertilized egg as is, you just get the amino acids and the protein, but the growth factors will be destroyed by the digestive enzymes. So I think that is the one that helped augment. The patient has been undergoing chemotherapy, and I can see that the ingredients were able to balance everything that is in the body, plus the effect of chemotherapy. So it hastened the healing process. So the idea here is, if one has cancer, is to use everything that is possible. So you use medicine, you use medical treatment if needed. However, you also have to take something that will support body function. Because the body is intelligent, it knows how to fight cancer. You simply has to enhance it through nutrition, through a healthy lifestyle. So this is part of the nutritional support. We got it from the 9-day-old fertilized egg. So it took the ingredients when it is proto-embryonic stage extract, meaning embryology hasn't happened yet. It is about to happen. That's proto. So we got that ingredient, and that's now the technology.
So, kaya siguro tinawag na miracle of life.
Oo.
No?
Kasi yung hindi pa nagde-develop yung chick, no? Doctors. Tapos nung kinukuha yung laminine.
So, ano ho ba yung cause ng pagkakaroon ng cervical cancer ng isang babae?
Cervical cancer is the second most common killer in women, next to breast cancer. So, isipin natin, paano nagkaka-cervical cancer yung mga babae? Ang pinaka-common cause, yung nabanggit na ni Dr., human papilloma virus, kaya nagkaroon na dyan ng vaccine. And then, mag-i-increase yung risk natin ng mga babae pag, number one, maaga tayo nag-engage in sexual activity, marami tayong pregnancies, smoking is also related, long-term use of oral contraceptives and sexually transmitted disease is also connected with the women having a high risk with cervical cancer. Lalo na rin yung family nyo prone to cancer. Bukod doon sa gagawin nyo na nabanggit kong vaccine, kailangan talaga ang mga babae to have a regular check-up, pap smear, and pelvic examination. So, i-observe nyo rin kung meron kayong discharges na kakaiba than the usual. So, ang mapapayo ko lang, kung wala pa kayong cancer na lahat naman tayo ayaw magkaroon, di ba po? So, laminine is a great help. Paano po ba? Since cancer kasi is a disease caused by abnormal na yung cell mo pero patuloy pa rin siyang nagduduplicate. So, ang nangyayari, hindi niya na nabibigay yung normal function. So, as I said in an earlier episode, fibroblast growth factor can give signal to our cell kung sasabihin niya. Kasi kung tutusin po, create tayo ng Diyos na meron tayong sariling healing mechanism. Pag damage na dapat yung cell natin, dapat automatic mamamatay na siya sa system kasi hindi na siya kailangan kasi damage na siya. Ang nangyayari sa cancer, damage na siya, but it goes on and on. Actually, nandadamay pa ng ibang, di ba, systems natin. So, ang laminine, yung fibroblast growth factor, sisignalan niya yung cell, oops, damage ka na, stop producing. So, laminine is a very amazing product kasi dahil may fibroblast growth factor.
So, Doctor, si Monique went into remission already in 1995, no? Tapos bumalik yung problema niya in 2012. After taking laminine, nawala ulit. And then she did not have to go through total hysterectomy. So, na-save talaga. So, ano ho ba ang chances na bumalik pa ulit ng pangatlong beses yung cancer niya?
Well, if they are not taking laminine, the chances are very high. The reason why laminine is so magal na po sa katawan, lalo na sa mga na may cancer, is because of the shark cartilage. Kasi po ang tao, kahit na ilang beses na yan nag-chemotherapy, whatever cancer they have, there will always be remaining one cancer cell that will be dormant, waiting for the right moment. Yung right moment na yon is during the angiogenesis process. What is an angiogenesis? It is when the body develops a new blood vessel. So yung mga sabi remission daw, iniintay nung cell na magkaroon ng bagong blood vessel sa katawan. Pag buo na yan after about 5 years, the dormant cell will move to the new blood vessel and will multiply much stronger than ever kasi immune na siya dun sa mga cisplatinum and chemotherapy drugs.
So mas matindi yung balik?
Yes
Doctor.
po. Pag bumalik yan, sandali lang ang lifespan mo.
Pero if she continues taking laminine,
The beauty of laminine is that it has an anti-angiogenesis property. Meaning to say, it inhibits the growth of a new blood vessel. Pag walang blood vessel, walang lilipatan yung cancer cell, hindi siya dadami, madi-deactivate lang siya.
Ang galing.
Yun po yun.
Actually, aside from cervical cancer, doctor, you were saying that breast cancer is number one, the number one killer.
Yeah.
amongst the cancer
Yes.
women. Yeah. Sabi nila, pag may cervical cancer, medyo related daw sa breast cancer din yun.
Meron ding certain connection, yung pagiging prone mo na magkaroon ka ng cancer. Lalo na yung nabanggit ko, pag talagang karamihan sa kamag-anak mo, isipin mo na mamatay ng cancer, gumawa ka na ng paraan para ikaw hindi ka magkakaroon ng cancer. So, Laminin is the answer.
Preventive, katulad nga ni Dr. Arlie.
Yes. Preventive.
Kaya si Dr. Arlie has devoted his life to, spread and teach everybody on preventive medicine.
Yes, doctor, maybe you can tell us about that.
First, if you are having any symptoms, always consult your doctor, because a symptom is an indication that there is a problem. And then we usually say, if symptoms persist, consult your doctor. Now, that's where the doctor's roles come in. If you are sick, then get treatment. However, it's not simply getting treatment, it's also preventing disease. And then, even going beyond prevention, we have what you call health promotion, o kaya wellness, o kaya optimum health. So it is a spectrum of perfect health and death. And we are somewhere in between. Our goal is to move towards perfect health. And the best way to move towards perfect health is to go back as closely to God and to nature. And that's where nutrition comes in, and that's where the ingredients coming from Laminin may help.
So Laminin
Salamat
is
po.
all natural, isn't it? Doctor?
Thank you, Doctor. So when we get back, we will feature Ligaya Generalao. May hyperplasia po siya at malalaman nyo rin kung bakit siya maligaya na ngayon.
Maligaya at tulad na sinabi Dr. Arlie, nasa parang Adam and Eve ang storya naman.
Wow, exciting.
Palakpakan po natin. Yes. We'll be back.
Be alive!
Be alive!
Be alive!
Be alive! Be alive!
Be alive! Be alive! Be alive!
Be alive!
Be alive!
Be alive!
Be alive!
Be alive!
Be alive! Be alive! Be alive! Be alive!
Hi! Be alive!
It's been over 10 years now since I had this problem with menstruation. It's usually like twice a month. And then the pain down there, the abdominal pain, the migraine and everything, I usually get sick. It's already scheduled that during my monthly period, I have to be absent from work. I was diagnosed to have a endometrial hyperplasia. I produce a lot of estrogen, and that makes the lining of my uterus like it's always thick. Though I have menstruation like twice a month, but the bleeding is still continuous because of that hyperplasia or endometrial hyperplasia. It's like one of the risk factors of endometrial cancer, tumor, or polyps if it's not being treated earlier. Nung nalaman ko po na meron akong ganun, siyempre kinabahan ako kasi wala pa kaming anak ng asawa ko. So sabi ng doktor, if it's not being treated earlier, it may be one of the reasons na hindi kami magkaanak. Sobra talaga akong kinabahan doon. Tapos nakakalungkot din kasi every time na darating na naman yung mens mo, parang gusto mong pigilin yung araw. Parang pwede bang hindi na ako mag-mens? Pwede bang lalaki na lang ako? We do not have children yet. We have that sex on schedule given by my OB that we have to follow. However, it's very hard for us to do that because on the 14th day, which is the ovulation day for me, I have mens again. So, hindi talaga siya makakabuo. In order for me to conceive a baby, I have undergone a RASPA or fractional curettage for my uterus to be cleaned. After 5 months of that operation, I had the spotting again. When I took Laminin, my menstruation became normal. And according to my doctors, with the continuous taking of food supplementation, even without that pill, as long as my hormones become balanced, I would have that big hope that I may have a children in the near future. And I believe, I feel it now in my heart that sooner or later I would have a baby because that 14th day is no longer a problem.
Welcome back to Be Alive. Doctors, we have seen the VTR of Ligaya and yung issue na yung hyperplasia. And hindi nga sila makakaroon ng baby dahil nga doon sa condition niya. So, paano po nakatulong ang Laminin na huminto yung bleeding ni Ligaya?
Most probably, meron siyang hormonal imbalance. Yung estrogen niya, masyadong maraming napoproduce yung katawan niya. Alam natin na meron tayong menstrual cycle na sinusunod talaga yung mga babae na may period kung kailan lang kakapal yung lining ng matres natin. Dahil si Ligaya, mataas yung estrogen niya, kaka-menstruate niya pa lang, kumakapal na uli yung lining, yung endometrial lining niya. Tapos, pag hindi yun na-sustain yung kapal, automatic magbi-bleed na yon. So, ang kinaganda kay Ligaya, dahil ang Laminin is an adaptogen, di ba? Alam natin, it increases the good, it decreases the bad. Sa kanyang case, masyadong mataas yung estrogen. So, ang mangyayari niyan, ino-normalize yung level ng estrogen para mag-normalize yung cycle niya. In the end, pag nagkaroon siya ng menstrual cycle na normal, mag-ovulate siya on a normal cycle also, may posibilidad na magkaroon sila ng baby at magiging maligaya na talaga sila.
Wow! Kaya pala, ngayon daw, once a month na lang ang period niya. Nakakakilabot.
Siguro, iniisip niya ang ginawa lang sa kanya na wala yung bleeding niya. Pero in the end, yung estrogen, too much estrogen, later on, marami rin niyang negative effect. Kaya, ang kinaganda nun, kung na-normalize na ng Laminin yung secretion ng estrogen level sa katawan mo, yung ibang symptoms na hindi mo lang alam na pwedeng naging negative effect sa'yo, maa-address niya rin. No? So, good thing yung bleeding isa doon. Pero pag masyado rin kasing increase yung estrogen mo, yung mga babae na may breast cancer, pag mataas naman yung estrogen level nila, tapos yung cancer nila sa breast, parang mas nafe-feed siya ng estrogen.
Ayun.
So kung ano-normalize, maraming bagay ang gagawin sa'yo ng Laminin.
Yeah, I would like to add doon sa sinabi ni Doktora na kaya po nagkaganon is because of the presence of the amino acid lysine, the methionine. It will increase the cortisol or regulate the cortisol level. And once the cortisol level is regulated, the serotonin is also regulated. And once the serotonin hormone is regulated, all other hormones regulates itself. Kaya pati yung estrogen ninyo, yung mga testosterone and the estrogen, nagre-regulate siya.
It goes back to the basic mechanism that the fibroblast growth factor stimulates the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal gland axis, or let's say pituitary gland. Remember, the pituitary gland is the master gland of the body. All the hormones, the thyroid, the hormones of the pancreas, the kidney, the testes, the ovary, all of this will be balanced. And the hormones for the reproductive system is part of it. So if it is enhanced, then it can improve the chance of getting pregnant. But at the same time, if the husband is also taking Laminin, that will contribute in enhancing the chance of having a healthy reproductive experience.
Thank you, doctors. Ana, nandiyan ka yata sa crowd ngayon at meron kang audience na magtatanong.
Thank you, Susan. Andito si Madet the Chica at meron po siyang tatanungin sa mga doktor po natin.
Ang gusto ko lang malaman, what are the symptoms ng cervical
cervical cancer.
Cervical cancer.
Doctors, can we answer this question?
One of the symptoms will be during sexual intercourse, there's pain.
And bleeding in between periods or after your menopause, you still bleed.
Or any unusual discharge, take note and then always consult your gynecologist.
Yun hong masakit yung puson, ano rin ba yan, symptoms ninyon?
Pwede rin po, pelvic pain. That's why, pag may nararamdaman kayo ganon, punta kayo ng doctor nyo and then ipapap smear kayo or i-examine yung area na may masakit and from there, mag-ano sila recommend kung what will be the next step. Karamihan daw po ng may cervical cancer is mga 35 above. Pero if pumasok kayo dun sa sinabi ko kanina na pwedeng ma-increase yung risk nyo, huwag nyo nang hintayin yung age na yon. Kung katulad, sample, early kayo nagkaroon ng sexual activity, so mas maganda, mag-regular pap smear na rin talaga kayo.
Okay, well, thank you, doctors. Again, it has been another informative show. I hope our televiewers and our audience enjoyed it and learned something. and continue to support our show. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Doctor.
At dito naman po sa kanan ko, andito po si Limuel at si Ligaya. At pagbalik po ng Be Alive, tuloy na tuloy ang ligaya.
Gonna fly high, be alive.
Salamat kay Limuel at saka kay Ligaya for sharing with us your experience with Lami9. Nakaka-inspire po. You know, I hope na tuloy-tuloy na ang ating ligaya. You know?
Oo, grabe. Sinasabi ko nga kay Kuya dito kailangan magpalakas din siya at magumami na. Di ba?
Ano ho ang iba pangalan natin? Limuel, Ligaya. Ano ho magiging pangalan ni baby?
Limgaya.
Lamigaya.
Oo, di ba?
Kasama Lami9.
Oo. Anyway, Susan, talaga namang napaka-informative ng show natin ngayon, di ba?
Always naman. Always.
Pero ngayon, I hope naman yung mga kababaihan dyan sa nanonood sa atin, marami natutunan tungkol sa cervical cancer at sa katulad ng kaso nila, yung hyperplasia. No? So, and,
You know,
diba?
actually, that's the first time I heard about that.
Yung hyperplasia.
Oo.
Talaga?
Oo, yung hindi nga makabuo dahil laging may problema. No?
At saka yung isang beses ka lang nga sa isang buwan magkaroon, napaka-inconvenient, di ba? Biro mo yun, yung tuloy-tuloy.
Everyday. Yung bag ko po, lagi meron namang may pinamik dati.
Wow.
At napkin.
Kaya pala,
Pero ngayon wala na, ha?
Wala na po.
Sige, kuya, ha? Tahimik ka lang dyan, pero kailangan by the end of the month, ano?
Oo, sa Cebu, di ba, may Lami9 baby tayo?
Oo.
Di ba? Ilan na ho, nagkaroon yun sa fertility naman yun, yung hindi sila magkaroon ng baby. Ngayon,
Maraming na tayong Lami9 babies.
Oo.
Correct.
So sana
At
kayo
sa
lang
susunod
sumunod.
kayo naman.
Wow!
Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan na natin. Thank you very, very much for being with us today on our show. And, as usual, may sasabihin tayo. Fly high! Be alive!
Be Alive would like to thank the following: